the first thing you're going to want to do is open your browser of choice and type in DevKit Pro Installer. Then you're going to go down to the first GitHub link in releases. And if you can't find this link, it'll be in the description. Now you're going to want to download the DevKit Pro Updater and open it. We're just going to go through it, default installation, not really change anything, keep everything. And you're going to uncheck everything besides GBA development. I'm going to keep that one on. And then just leave it all default, install, and then just wait for this to finish installing. All right, now once it's in downloading, just going to click finish here. And now we're going to get the actual Balatro GBA game. So just pop that into Google too. And obviously a link for this will also be in the description. And what you're going to do is not going to go to the releases, go back to the repository, and on where it says main, you're going to click the code here and click download zip. Then it's just going to download this. Now what I'm going to do is I don't need anything else in the browser now. Just going to open File Explorer, go to my downloads, right here with this Balatro GBA main. I'm going to click extract all. And then it's going to extract to my downloads folder. And now I have Balatro GBA main. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, open it again till I get to the folder with all the code. And now I'm going to copy this. All right, that's all that I'm going to need for now. Now, with that DevKit Pro installer downloaded, it should have installed a new program to your computer called msys2. You're going to open msys2, and you're going to type in cd, and then in quotes, paste it, put another quote at the end, enter, and now you're in. What you're going to type in next is make. It's going to run this. Doesn't take that long. And there, once you're done here, you're going to go into build, and you'll see it, Balatro main.gba. This is the actual game. Now, if for some reason it didn't make, you probably installed DevKit Pro wrong, or there's a space in your directory. If there's any spaces in this string of text right here, it won't work. I don't know why, it just doesn't work. Anyway, that should be it.